let's get this thing started. So I'm gonna put the red in the center. I kind of want to keep the colors separate. And I just spilled it. And we got our black. The base coat is gonna also be a titanium white. Let me put a generous base coat down. So as you can see, the colors are already in the cup. So with that, how about we go ahead and just get this thing started. And I'm just gonna lightly spin it. I'm gonna love the way this looks when it's done. Now, careful. And that red is actually staying very stark. All right, this is actually really cool. This looks so wicked though. Let's see what it turns into. I almost don't even want to stop. I just want to keep going forever, but I know I'm gonna have to stop. So now it's actually already pretty well centered. So I mean, get a little bit of paint on the surface, it makes it easier to glide. This thing looks freaking amazing right now. I love it. All right, so that is basically like almost dead center. Let's see if we can. I think we're just gonna bite the bullet and spin it and see what we get. I will start with the lighter spins. I don't dislike the white edges at all. I feel like that is wicked the way it is. I love this one. Let me make sure the edges are getting a really good coverage, especially this white section over here, because I don't want to have any bare spots where I have to try to go in afterwards and cover it. But no, look at this thing. I love this. But let's get down there and check this thing out. I want you guys to see it the way I'm seeing it right now, just up close and personal, because just the composition, the lines, everything about this, I love it. But let's get down there and check it out. Just look at the fine, tiny little details. I am completely blown away by this. I freaking love it. I really honestly thought with the white next to the red like that I would get a whole bunch of pinks, but I didn't. Tell me what y'all think about it in the comments.